Alright, we are doing the wound channel test just to give y'all a non-scientific look at the possibility of a wound channel. We got Mr. Coconut, brought him back in, flew him in from his vacation to do this video with us. Mr. Coconut, the cantaloupe. And he's standing by and ready to go. So here we go, wound channel. And that is twice I did that today. Forgot my hearing protection. Here we go. Well, from this end it looks pretty nice. Let's go down range and see what we got. Okie dokie. We got Mr. Coconut here. Got a nice entry wound blown through. Blown through. Look at that. That is pretty cool. Nice little hole going through there. There you go. That is the wound channel. The Australian Outback 223 Sierra Blitzking 55 grain. And once again, baiting the range. See if we got the bullet. We are not out of the first pair of jeans. So let's see what we got going on. Be honest, I don't think we got any penetration. I think that bullet just obliterated. Yeah, because there ain't even a hole. Ain't even a hole. So yeah, bullet just obliterated. Good deal. So I would like to take this time and thank you all for watching.